Today is day 3. For breakfast, we are having sourdough toast with a fried egg on top. In this video, you will not hear me talking in the video because I woke up with a migraine this day, so not much was done. So our sourdough bread I actually toasted because we really like our sourdough bread toasted. So we're just using our farm fresh eggs and we're just going to fry them in the skillet in some oil, and to season them we just use salt and pepper and some tarragon seasoning. I am just making one for me and one for my daughter. We repurpose our eggshells by using in the garden or as a calcium supplement for the chickens. So here you can see my daughter and I, we had a fried egg on top of toasted sourdough with a side of yogurt. Now for my husband's breakfast that we're going to make him for the next couple days at work will be scrambled eggs mixed with ground sausage, cheese, and hot sauce. In my meal prep video, you can see me actually making in more detail my husband's breakfast for days 2 and 3, so be sure to check that out.
Now he has breakfast for the next 2 days.
So that 1 pound of sausage has been divided into 3 breakfast items. Now for lunch, I did not film it, but we had sourdough pizza, and I have the video linked to that in the description box below. For an afternoon snack, again, I still had a migraine. I didn't need anything, but my daughter, she loves avocado on toast. So she just smashed up an avocado and she's spreading it out on some of the homemade bread that we made Monday. And the sourdough, that was bread we had also made on Monday. So if you did not watch our weekly meal prep video, I encourage you to watch that. That video is full of little tips and tricks, ways to save money and how to do certain things. Thinking outside the box. It includes, I believe, if I remember correctly, making yogurt, bread, and getting all the food preps ready for this week. And be sure to check out the video on why we did this meal planning video series. In that video, not only will you learn why we decided to do this video series, but also how much we spent and where I price compare some healthier options with some more conventional, possibly less healthy options. So thank you for watching and please subscribe.